What you got going on today, man? What you preparing for?
Nothing much. Little prom.
A little prom? The prom is, so the prom is a little thing?
Yeah, the champagne party was the real one.
Huh?
Champagne party, the real deal.
The real deal?
You know, Miss Wallace, she had to hook it up for me.
Okay, not the party goddess.
Nah.
It's coming together. It's coming together. You like the way it's looking?
Yes, sir.
Let me check you out when it all come together, man. I ain't big on the parties, but I party with a player.
Hey, Nene.
Where you headed?
To go get some grapes.
Grapes?
Yes.
Fruit?
Yeah. We're not gang affiliated.
You better not be.
Actually, I'm not gonna go get the grapes.
Oh, you not? So where you headed?
I'm gonna move it right here.
Yeah.
Go back and help.
You got plans for after the prom tonight or just prom at home? Or is ain't none of my business?
I don't even know yet, to be honest.
That's right. Play it by ear?
Huh? Yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with playing it by ear. I mean, being that you finish in high school, what's your plans for the... Usually you get a few months off and it's right back to school. What's your plans this time?
So, summer I'm gonna start playing football again. How about the street?
You got any idea where you're gonna be playing?
Kind of looking like El Camino right now, but not 100% certain.
Okay.
But yeah, I'll be looking at that over the summer, and then I'll be enrolled wherever in August. I do plan to pursue football.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of the decisions you've been making thus far in life, and whatever ones you make in the future, I'm sure they gonna benefit you, man. I'm ready. I'm riding with you. All right?
It will for sure.
Yes, sir.
And it is key. It's only a taste of what I'm gonna have in my future.
Oh, you already know what dark plans
You
is.
feel me? Taste.
That's right.
Finesse gonna manifest.
That's right. That's that nigga Pyro Loco.
How y'all doing?
What you got going on tonight, man?
Not much, man.
Out of high school? So you got the little hair on top there. I'm proud of you, man.
Appreciate it.
You got plans after the prom?
I got the right form. I'm gonna figure it out. Brother.
After high school?
Yeah, come on.
What we doing? See son? This is my youngest son, man, Curvell, man. You know, we got 2 proms and graduation.
Now we get pictures of the pretty. It's 4:30. Hold on.
Say hi to the camera, please. Over here.
How y'all doing? This is yelling.
You look lovely, young lady. I'm sorry. Y'all have a good time.
Being a black man in America isn't easy. The hunt is on. And you're the prey.
I told my son no regrets, as long as he gave his best. And it's cool to spend a little, but to say the rest. First rule of nature, take care of self. Cherish health, be wary, careful with who you share your wealth. Suggest you get accustomed to making sacrifice. And that's advice from one familiar with the facts of life. Told him I support him, always there for him, promise. But he'll never know no love like like his mama's. Remain humble, always guard your gift. It's easy to find trouble and so hard to miss it. Pay attention, be careful what you take for granted. Acknowledge God, a higher power had to make the planet. When it comes to romance, first thing, know a woman could be the best or the worst thing for you. Real men tell the truth, they never gossip though. Stand for something knowing nothing is impossible.
I knew you was gonna be.
I want to get both of y'all together if you don't mind, please, sweetheart. Carvel, what's the name? You guys look awesome.
Oh my God, you guys are so nice.
Hello, dear. Look like y'all ready for the future. Proud of
This my Auntie Tanisha. How you feel hosting your first event in your new home?
It was good. It was good. It's good. Nice.
Gotta give you props for bouncing back. You had plumbing issues last minute, and you got that porta potty on deck fast.
Yeah.
The way that I do now. Always keep your hands where they can see them. Don't move too quickly. Take off your hood when the sun goes down.
With these words of wisdoms, I will write my son. Won't bullshit with him, I won't bite my tongue. Admonish him to follow his visions instead of religion. Sound backwards, but receiving ain't better than giving. Forgive those that wrong him, but never forget them. For a coward to be dead is much better than living. At age 17, I was headed for prison, and that's pathetic, so we got to make better decisions. It's natural for men to go together with women. Be cautious of anyone that try to tell him it isn't. The man, he understand how to handle this scandalous system. They stack the deck against the black man and gamble against him. This evil world, even police can be horrible people. Make sure we know there's a difference between moral and legal. When approaching proposition, you should question it properly. No question it properly. You should consider investing properly. Get it?
You listening? To bring the property value down. They can buy the land at a lower price, then they move all the people out, raise the property value, and sell it to the profit. And what we need to do is we need to keep everything in our neighborhood, everything black. Black owned with black money. Just like the Jews, the Italians, the Mexicans, and the Koreans do.